Well, hey guys, welcome back to IT Garage. Let's go ahead and just do a quick little walkthrough of this thing. We've had it for about 6 months now. Yeah, it's been that long since I've done a video. But in short, we're gonna put a radio in it today, a CarPlay radio. SOOEMAKA, S-O-O-E-M-A-K-A. Just a generic box, which is fine. You don't need a fancy box. This is a backup camera, it seems to be. We already have one of those built in, so we're gonna set that off to the side. Some instructions. I really hope these are helpful. The last radio I reviewed that you guys saw came with literally 0 instructions. So there we go, connect the camera to the head unit. So maybe we can tie in to our camera somewhere and pull a wire down for that. All right, we have a trim tool. The exact trim tool that we used to get the trim out. So if you don't have one, you buy the radio, it comes with one. There's a remote control, some electrical tape, and a bunch of connectors, fuse. So we're gonna figure out what all that is here in a minute. But let's get the actual radio out. We got some brackets. Thanks for choosing us. You're welcome. All right, thanks for sending it out. Now let's see. Again, nice looking radio. I think it'll look really good in here. You can see it's nice and clear. There we are. The square peg goes in the square hole, right? So there's that one. I'm guessing this one goes here. Sure does. Gotta say, I'm impressed with the clickability of this kit so far. Let's see what happens together for the first time, if I can find the keys. Liv's out here with me now too, so we got a peanut gallery. Oh, okay, there we go. Now we're at the home screen. So let's try and put it, it looks really clear. I'll say that right now. It's probably got a little bit of a learning curve to it, which is no big deal. I also like the purple, that's my favorite color. There we go. Start it. This is real time here. Comes on. It shows that for a split second, and then it goes into your CarPlay. And it's not brutally fast, but it is fast enough. By the time you get in and buckle up and turn the car on, you're good to go. Now, this truck has steering wheel controls. My 92 Lincoln did not. So, and you can see, it works. It's turning up and down. It'll change the thing. If I click this button, it takes me out, and it actually rotates just like you would expect it to. You can change the EQ. You can do all that sort of stuff. It does all that. You know, if you click the home button, you can go in here and you can see the setup, and you can see the sound settings, and you know, it's got the loudness filter like all these radios do. It's got the EQ. You can go in and do all that crazy stuff. I don't understand any of that. I just usually click the rock one, and that's good enough for me. But here's those steering wheel controls I was telling you about. So when you click one of these buttons, it kind of lights up, and then you can click which one you actually want it to do. So we're just gonna leave that alone because that looks good. I bet you can put in whatever you want. I kind of like the star one. Yeah, you can change the colors. I did purple. That's my favorite color. If I wanted it to be forward, I'd probably do green, right? Because the lights are green. It's been a great radio. It's been a huge quality of life improvement while driving this thing. It makes it feel newer than it is, getting in and your phone being up there, and that seems to do better than most of these aftermarket head units anyways. And that's just what I've been doing. It dims when it's supposed to, it stays bright when it's supposed to. But the big thing is that all of the adapters for this truck work flawlessly. 100% perfect, 10 out of 10, 5-star rating. That is the best part about this by a mile, is the ease of installation. It was so smooth. The company is great to work with. If you have any problems with your unit, I bet you could reach out to them. And even through Amazon, if you reach out to the company directly, I worked with Manny. He's been phenomenal. But I just want to say thanks again to them for sending it out. I really appreciate it. It's been awesome. And if you're looking at putting one of these units in your like 2008 to 2014 Expedition, and the F150s are close to that years as well, check this company out. And even if you don't have an Expedition or an F150, they have other options for other vehicles. See if they have what you need, because I've been very impressed with this, and I'm being totally candid. Again, they are not paying me to talk nice about their product. They sent it to me to review. I am just going to say this and post it, and they're not going to get any feedback per se before you guys see it, because I feel like that's the most authentic, and I feel like that's what people want to see when they come to YouTube. You know, no one wants to see a small YouTube channel getting paid to say nice things about a terrible product. That's not what this is. This is a nice product that I would be happy to pay the $200 for that it costs. I don't think you can find another unit that is plug and play like this that works as well for that cost. And with that, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this rant at the end of the video. I just wanted to go ahead and say that after 6 months of use, it's been awesome. I anticipate no problems in the future, and if I do, then I feel like this company would at least respond, if not take care of your problem. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.